Invented in Japan, Renko charts ignore time and focus solely on price changes that meet a minimum requirement. In this regard, these charts are quite similar to point and figure charts. Instead of X columns and O columns, Renko charts use price bricks that represent a fixed price move. These bricks are sometimes referred to as blocks or boxes. They move up or down in 45-degree lines with one brick per vertical column. Bricks for upward price movements are hollow, while bricks for falling price movements are filled with a solid color, typically black. Renko charts are based on bricks with a fixed value that filters out smaller price movements. A regular bar, line or candlestick chart has a uniform date axis with equally spaced days, weeks and months. This is because there is one data point per day or week. Renko charts ignore the time aspect and only focus on price changes. If the brick value is set at 10 points, a move of 10 points or more is required to draw another brick. Price movements less than 10 points would be ignored and the Renko chart would remain unchanged. Using the S&P 500 10-point Renko chart as an example, a new Renko brick would not be drawn if the S&P 500 were at 1840 and advanced 9 points to 1849. If the S&P 500 then advanced to 1850 the very next day, a new Renko brick would be drawn because the entire move was at least 10 points. This brick would extend from 1840 to 1850 and be hollow or white in this example. Alternatively, if the S&P 500 declined from 1840 to 1830, a new Renko brick would be drawn and it would be solid or black in this example. The two charts above cover a 6-month time frame, but the Renko chart sports an irregular date axis and the price action is less choppy. This is because the S&P 500 Renko chart ignores price moves that are less than 10 points and remains unchanged until there is a move of at least 10 points.